Hi, it's Logan from Audio Technica and welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at how easy it is to set up the TX1 as a sound card on your computer. I'm going to go through this on Macintosh and also on Windows based. The interesting thing as well with this is we're really interested in how long a USB cable we can run to see if we can power the unit all across a long cable. So I've got a long cable to do that as well. So let's test that and see how we go. So one of the coolest things about the TX1 is you can actually use the USB as a sound card. So basically it will take its power from the computer and it will also take its audio. Literally just plug in the USB cable straight into your laptop and it will use it as a sound source. Very, very simple to do. This is how you set it up on the laptop. On a Mac, if you just go to your system settings, go to your sound section just here, and then you'll see on the outputs tab, we now have Audio Pro TX1. Fantastic. That's literally all you need to do. We can open a music playback and it will come straight through. Very easy to set up. And so for a Windows-based system, again, we just need to go to the sound controls, which is under Control Panel and Sound. And then within Playback, you'll have the Audio Pro TX1. I don't think it could be any easier. So how long an audio cable can we run? Well, I have got an interesting bit of kit here. This is a 20-meter USB cable, but it also has a repeater built into it. So let's test to see if this kind of cable will work with the TX1. So we have power on the cable, it's linked through, and let's see if this extender will also play with the audio. Wow, I'm really impressed. This 20-meter cable, it will do the job. This is an extender, so I've actually got another 3-meter USB. It's 23 meters of USB playing through this. It's still powering up the unit. I think that goes to show that how versatile this guy is, and if you really need to run longer USB cables, you can use an extender like this up to 20 meters. I wonder how it would perform around electronics and some heavy power cabling, whether you get interference. So that could be another thing we'll test in the future. And yeah, quite interesting outcome. So it's a really interesting system to set up. It's incredible that literally this would be all you would need if you're running a computer-based system with a USB out for basically the transmitter acting as a sound card. And if you've got any comments or questions on the system, please leave them below. Thanks very much for watching.